Hey there, what if I told you that robots have taken over my job? Yeah, technically I could stop making these tutorial videos because artificial intelligence is here. Even I can compete with it. No, don't get your hopes up. A machine will never replace a human in trading. Why am I so sure? I'll share my thoughts as we trade. Today I won't use any indicators. I'll just follow the steps suggested by an AI bot. And at the end, I'll wrap up and explain why bonds won't replace live traders. Hi, I'm Nathan. I've been trading for 8 years. In the last year alone, I made 1.3 million without breaking a sweat. There are tons of self-taught traders on YouTube, but unlike them, I choose to learn from the top experts. I trained under more than a dozen top global traders, and all of this was to create the ultimate wish-fulfilling machine with my team of top-notch developers. Meet our new AI bot. That's why I started a trading school on Telegram. And even better, I have an AI that predicts market behavior. Today, I'll talk about my trading bot. I'm a bit embarrassed, it's packed so neatly and user-friendly. If only you knew what was behind the scenes. My team worked on it for about 9 months. We have only top-tier traders and programmers on our team. To simplify what we did, we created artificial intelligence and then taught it how to trade. The bot analyzes data from the given trading pair over the past month, compares it with the current situation, and predicts short-term market movements. Today, its win rate is 91.3%, and it's still improving because my team and I are constantly refining it. Don't forget to enable all the necessary notification settings in Telegram and in your chat with the bot. The market is often very volatile, so you need to stay on top of things. Note that 10 minutes before the trading session starts, the bot sends the post with the currency pairs it can predict. If you're ready to trade, click the big button at the bottom of the chat. If not, the bot won't bother you. It's convenient. We made it polite and free of unnecessary notifications. As you can see, we have the following pairs today. 10 minutes is more than enough time to get ready since there is hardly anything to set up. Open the trading platform, set the trade time frame to 1 minute and the candles to 30 seconds. Indicators. My hand instinctively reached to select some. But today, we don't need them, and they'll just get in the way. Instead of indicators, we'll have the chat with the bot on our phone in front of us. I'm probably getting too detailed. Let's just see how it works. You will understand better than from any manual. Alright, the bot analyzed the Aussie and American pair, preparing to put my precious 15. And it's already sent the forecast. The next minute we'll see a downward trend. Without hesitation or question, I click down. Today is just one of those days. I don't want to overthink or analyze. Just listening to the bot and that's it. Super! Let's be honest, that's a simple task. Did you see how the candles went down? They moved far from the entry point. We weren't risking anything because the chart's behavior was predictable. We had to go down from the level after the local transition. Moving on. I never thought it would be this awesome. Over 12,000 subscribers are now using my bot. I host regular live sessions where you can learn effective trading strategies. Or you can do nothing. Just relax, follow my trades and get returns. It's perfect for beginners and for those who hate boring work. If you're watching this video, you've already taken a step toward financial independence. The link to my Telegram is in the first pinned comment and the description. After this, your life won't be the same. Okay, we got the next signal. AI suggests the next pair. The next minute we'll see a steady upward trend. Overall, you can see that after the correction, the chart almost stopped at a certain level. So we're expecting a bounce up. Clicking up, waiting for the result. Well, I trusted AI and it paid off. Nice boost. Notice how the trade closed relatively close to the entry point, but on this platform that doesn't matter. Our reward isn't dependent on the difference between the buying and selling prices. It depends solely on the correctly predicted directions of the asset's movement. We only care about where the market is generally headed, up or down. The bot is tuned to identify this trend. On my Telegram channel, I constantly share cool strategies and market insights. The Japanese say, when the student is ready to learn, a teacher appears. You might laugh, but many of my subscribers don't see me as a teacher. They join my live sessions to trade with me, chill, and stay in the green. I follow the bot, they follow me, and everyone's happy. It works for them, and it works for me even more. Subscribe right now, before you forget. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. You can either learn or just trade live with us your choice. Alright, the bot predicts a price drop for the next pair within a minute. Let's not waste time, follow the bot, watching. And here is the result. Of course, I'm proud of my creation. Hope you understand. 106. We're climbing higher. What can I say? The bot correctly identified that after a brief consolidation and correction, the downtrend would continue. Fresh signal. Eyes up. Just click down without overthinking and wait. It's crucial to follow all actions immediately after the bot sends a signal. Everything went smoothly. The bot caught that the correction would end and the negative trend would continue. Yeah, that's simple. The bot suggests returning to the previous pair. Again, don't waste precious seconds. Sets everything up, waiting for the notification, clicking up without questioning the collective wisdom to the top traders and developers. Today, AI bot is the captain and I'm just a deckhand. The AI easily identified the local minimum and accurately predicted an upward trend would follow. There was a lot of green on the screen, so I knew right away the forecast was spot on. The bot suggests returning to a previous pair, which makes sense given we're doing 7 trades in total. How do I know the number of trades? I wish I could say I'm Harry Potter's son, but no. I'm just a trader who helped develop this bot. Notification. Clicking up without delay. Waiting. I feel a bit awkward constantly saying the bot this, the bot that, the bot is great, but in reality, it's me and my team who put everything into it. Without this artificial brain, we fine-tune for perfect trading performance, and not just once. Alright, I need to make an effort and not praise the bot for at least a minute. Next, notifications from my artificial partner. Switching to a new pair, I'm ready. Waiting for the command, and down. Whew, that was close to the entry point. But this proves the bot's effectiveness. It doesn't calculate the maximum difference between entry and exit points. We count the bounce after the local minimum. It was the trend for that minute and forecast was correct. I'm taking my 1442. Again, this shows why it's crucial to follow the bot's notifications to the second. Everything works perfectly, but there needs to be minimal response time between the bot and the trader. Let's take a moment for some serious thoughts. At the beginning, I joked that robots might replace me soon and that I wouldn't be needed as a trader. But this bot is built on my experience. It uses it as a foundation and works on top of it, with a lot of algorithms of course. It's like I created the perfect partner for myself. You see, a trader and a bot together can accomplish much more than either one can on their own. I'm just starting to figure out what I can do with it and how to get the most out of it. I'm going to hold off the sharing the details, but I'm really excited about the possibilities. Expect a lot more awesome, new and unique content with the bot. The most effective way to not miss out is to subscribe to my Telegram. It's where you'll find links to the bot, news about it, live sessions, trading insights and strategies. I could record another 20-minute video about my Telegram, but it's better if you just subscribe. The link is in the description. See you soon for more trading. I promise not to disappear for long, but you know where to find me.